So today we're going to be making a person pipe cleaner ring. So first we have two strands of yellow, a strand of sort of skin color, we got a purple and a blue. So first take the two yellow pipe cleaners and find the middle of the two pipe cleaners and bend it around your finger to measure it. So that looks pretty good. And then give it a twist, and then that should hold it there. Maybe give it another twist just to make sure, and then take your blue pipe cleaner and start wrapping it around the four pipe cleaner strands that are sticking up like this. And actually I went a little too far there. Make a loop here, go around once, and then make the same size loop on the other side, just about. And just wrap that around there. Okay, that's your arms and body. So to make the dress, tie a purple pipe cleaner around the base near the ring, and then make some pleats basically, and make them all the same size if you can. And just keep going around, making them like this. And then just leave a little bit left at the end. So now take your skirt and pull it around to the front, and then just wrap the extra bit around the middle, and then you should have a little skirt or dress bottom for your pipe cleaner ring. You can change this up, and you can open the skirt a little more if you want it to look like petals or something. See? Okay, to add the head, just take the some beige pipe cleaner and wrap it around the head, the area where the head is, and just go up a little bit and then come back down again until you sort of make like a barrel shape for the head. This. And fold the 4 strands down on the head, and then that will become the hair. So if you want to do the hair, you can put the hair back, you know, like this. You want her hair to be like down, like that. This is what it looked like as a ring. Or like another idea is you can make bends in it, and then that will become like frizzy hair, I guess. See, frizzy hair like that. And then just add some sticky goo lines to the back, or I mean to her head. Cut a short piece of black pipe cleaner to make the mouth, and then bend it in half so it forms like a tiny V, and then stick the V into the mouth area. And that should be her mouth. So that's it for the girl pipe cleaner ring. If you wanted to instead make a boy pipe cleaner ring, all you'd have to do is remove the dress. Pretty easy to do. And then for the hair, just cut it shorter, like this. And you've got your boy pipe cleaner ring. Hope you liked the video.